everyone, if you are ready to color your hair and you watched my first and second video to prepare all the product that you need and to prepare the hair, today is the time to color the hair. So just a quick review: prepare all the product, color, and the tools that you need. You need a few clips too, and part the hair from apex to the middle of the forehead, apex behind the ear, making 3 sections, 1, 2, and 1 big section at the back. Today we starting to coloring the hair. So the color that you prepared and you bought before, based on the direction on the manufacturer direction on the color, mix the color and peroxide. Usually it says 1 and 1. It means whatever amount you may putting the color, same amount peroxide. So you putting the color and the peroxide, depend on the length of the hair and the thickness, and mixing the color properly to make a very soft and smooth mixture. Now you start from section 1. Start, if your coloring is about covering the gray hair, start from the hairline, because meanwhile you're doing the color in the front and then the back, this hair, the front hair have a more time to take a color pigments. So make ready the first part and take the color and apply first on the hairline, and then come around the ear and color the line that you made it here and here. By the color, just color all the line that you did it, and then start from the middle. From the middle part, when you color this line, make a very small, especially if you're coloring for gray hair, make a very small section and color it. Very thin section and apply the color. Very thin section and apply the color until you finish all the hair in the first section. Then put all the hair that you colored the roots before, put it back. You can manage it with a clip and start the same thing the other side. And again, start from the hairline, make a very small section, very thin section, and apply the color. And try to, if you're coloring the gray hair, only on the gray hair, don't pass to the colored hair before. And again, small section and color until you finish all the second part. Back to the third part, is the biggest part, and you see it's very white. Some people divide this part in 2 and start coloring, but my technique is from this hairline that I'm coloring, start small section again, color it, small section, small section, small section, and back to this one, small section, very small and thin. And each time you just coloring the roots, just coloring the gray hair. Don't pass the color to the colored hair before. This way you making damage the hair. And the one tip here is very important. When you coloring the roots, try to pull a hair a little bit and apply the color on the scalp. Start from scalp by pulling hair. And finish all the way down up to the hairline, the nape. And then set the timer for some color need 30 minutes, some color 45 minutes. Set the timer and stay the proper time. And after that, you need a wash, shampoo, rinse, and conditioner. Thank you for watching.